Alright, this tutorial will show you how to clear your data out of your shared object and out of your text boxes at the same time. So it's nice that we can save data, but we might want to be able to remove it. And it's quite simple. This will be a short one. So open up the FLA from the description and then click on your layer, press F9. And so here we have the stuff we had before. And if we bring this up, this is our clear button. So what we need to do is, if you haven't done so already, the clear button should be with this tutorial, but otherwise just make one. All I've done is created a button and called it clear BTN. And that links obviously to this, which is a event listener for a mouse click. And then we have a few lines here. So my SO data, which is what we've called our SO way up here. And then we write .clear. And obviously we have a bit of a trace message saying what's going on, and then this little section of code is clearing the individual text boxes. So if we don't include this, the SO will clear, but the text that's already in the boxes will not be removed because it's still present. So this will clear those boxes for us as well. Press X and Control Enter, and you'll notice that it says undefined because the SO is trying to load data, but there's nothing in there, so it comes up with undefined. I'll show you how to fix that in a minute, but if we just type in something here and then hit save, you'll see it's saved. And then if we reopen it, it's there. And if we clear it, it's gone. But obviously every time we reopen it, we'll get these undefined pop-ups. And I'll show you how to fix that. So that's coming up because the text box is trying to get that data from the array, and the array has nothing in it. So if we go back to F9, and if we scroll up, we can see right here is the culprit. This is where we are referring to our array on the initial load, and it's displaying whatever's in the array, even if there's nothing in the SO. So we just delete that. It was kind of a redundant line. Probably should have removed it earlier, but there you go. Control Enter, and you shouldn't get any more of those error messages. Even if we clear it and keep loading it, no more undefined. All right, so that's how you can clear your data. Move on to the next tune if you wish.